Hello, good morning! I am surrounded by sea of clouds. Ayan, fog dito sa aking paligid. Nasa tuktok tayo ng bundok. Ayan mga katiban friends. Surrounded by tayo ng sea of clouds. Yan. Ganda. Yan ang ating surroundings mga katibo, mga friends. Ito ang aming tribal community. Ito ho ang aming surroundings. Yan. Nabalutan ang buong lugar na to ng ayan. Kita nyo? Okay. Ang ganda, no? Okay. Surrounded tayo by sea of clouds. Ayan. Ganda. So it's really nice to have this kind of experience, and I'm truly thankful to Abba for giving me this kind of scenario. Tingnan yung mga clouds, para silang nagtakbuhan. Wow, hallelujah. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda. Woo, so nice, yo. Yan mga kabayan, I don't know, it's 7, I don't know, it's 6 o'clock, but ganyan nga yun dito. Nabalutan tayo ng mga sea of clouds. Yan.